Hey Thomas!
Man!
Come
What
on,
a beast!
Paul.
What a beast!
Launch it again!
Okay,
Launch it again!
Here we go. Ready?
Where'd it go? See, let's do it again.
Still climbing.
I think that's going to be the main topic of this video. I know there's a lot of Mustangs here, so.
Hey guys, it's a really gale force breeze at the moment. Conditions aren't too good, but I haven't flown this model for ages. And I've forgotten how good this little Mustang is. But what I want to just demonstrate here is its vertical climb capability.
This is epic, guys, just so you know. My camera's on him.
Okay, what I've just done won't work because I've actually switched on Thomas's radio control in my aircraft. So we're going to try that again.
Take two.
Okay, so we're going to go straight to a vertical climb.
You guys are going to love this.
I tend to launch it this way, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. Have fun and stuff this up. Here we go, straight up.
Whoa!
Can you guys do that?
No.
The reason why mine flies better than John's is that tail stuff that I've done to it. Here we go, vertical again.
Oh yes, that's right, the chicken tail.
Is it because of the tail?
Yep, it makes a big difference, you know. I need to give mine a good paint job.
I'm taking my...
So, okay, good title for this video. I'm not sure why. This is my title. Mustangs and where do we go?
Landing gear off. I reckon that could be the goer.
Alright, there you go.
Wow, you're good.
Hey!
What the hell is that? Wait, hell? There is no hell this time.
Well, no, we had a blast then.
It's a cool plane.
Okay, the reason I think this model's better than this one is because I've done this tail job. So that paint job,
Is that the real reason?
that is the
Yep.
real reason. Better performance.
See, that's not right. That's just not right.
Now look, he's taken the wheels off. It's going to be interesting to see what a difference it makes.
Okay.
And I reckon it's going to make a phenomenal difference. So we'll see how this goes.
So yours has got a lot more power than mine.
Was that full throttle?
About 90% throttle.
Oh, okay. Because I'm launching with about 30%, 40%. And then I gun it. But that's fine. Better, John.
It is flying better.
Look how
And it
much
looks
better
nicer.
It actually looks like a real Mustang now.
I know, right?
Bugger.
Doesn't look like a cheap fake.
I don't like the way you're flying now.
Well, it's cheap, but it's not fake.
We'll bring it in. Bring it in closer, Merlin. Whoa!
That was going to be close.
Listen to that howl of the Hobby King motor.
The Merlin Hobby King motor.
Yep.
I've actually got to find out what motor you've got because yours does pull a lot harder than mine.
Mine's the Hobby King Merlin. Nice, John. Nice. I like that.
Did it fly that well?
Nice one, John.
Dad?
Goshawk? Okay.
Goshawk!
Alright.
Hi.
Yes, two row bands anyway. Yeah. Alright.
You got to plug her in first, don't you?
Plug her in.
It's supposed to make a noise? Oh.
Make sure you know what it's called.
You really don't know. You've fully balanced it, haven't you?
I'm shooting it a fly. Alright, go.
Da 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 da.
Is that going to stay
Da
on, you
da
reckon?
da da da.
Alright, let's give it a bit of a throttle.
What is it?
Oh, I'm gonna see that again. Hey, can I jump?
Right, left, up, down, by throttle. Okay.
That sounds so sexy.
Now this has got to go straight into the wind, or it's not going to get enough power to take off. Oh my god, the wind's died down. You have to run now.
No, it's just a straight throw, it'll be.
Hang on, which way is the wind?
Can we use the Mugi takeoff
Straight
system?
towards the guy's garage. It's that way.
Are you going to be able to throw it?
It'll be a throw like that hard.
There you go.
That is so sexy!
Oh my god, it's cut out.
Just land it. Just land it with the wind, don't worry about it. Just land it, don't worry about it. With the wind, don't worry about it.
That is a sexy aircraft! I think the ESC has just blown. If you look at all the reviews on this plane, they say replace the ESC.
Look how good that was. It's got an auto-detaching wing.
What?
Oh, that's no good. But let's check out, is the ESC actually blown? It's in under the wing, so we better check that out.